Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply to become a Canva creator. First, open your browser and go to the official creator page on Canva. Type canva.com/creators and press enter. This will take you to the application portal where you can begin the process. Once you are on the page, you will be asked to select your creator type. Normally, there are different options like Template Creator, Elements Creator, and Education Creator. But for now, only the Teacher Creator option is open, and the other options are closed. So for this time, you will choose the Education Creator option. After selecting this, the form will guide you through some questions. You will need to answer what type of school you teach in, such as primary or secondary. Then you will select the class level, like kindergarten, grade 1, grade 2, and so on. You will also be asked what subject you teach, so choose the one that matches your experience. Next, you need to prepare your portfolio. Make sure you have a public link with around 5 to 10 of your best and most original designs. Canva must be able to view your work clearly. After that, fill out your personal details. Enter your name, your country, your language, and paste your Canva portfolio link. Double-check everything before submitting the form. Once you submit, the final step is to wait. The review process can take some time, sometimes even a few months, because many people apply. Thanks for watching.